To our beloved father and uncle, we say we miss you and we love you all, loving you forever and forever in our hearts. Your life was a blessing to many, the family, the church, the community, and the people at large. Your memory is a treasure to all of us. You are loved beyond words, adored beyond speeches, and missed beyond measure. No farewell words were spoken during the time of his death. There was no time for us to say goodbye. You were gone before we knew, and only God knows why. You will forever be our always, and we will remember the good moments, the laughter, the jokes, and your wise guidance to us. We are all saying goodbye is not forever. Goodbye is not the end. It simply means we will miss you until we meet again. In lovely memory of you, our Father, Sylvester Shonde. Thank you.